Hey guys, so let's talk about the order of operations. Now, when I was in school, the way that we wrote it was PEMDAS. But I know now we've started using a G instead of a P, which is awesome because it reminds us that there are more grouping symbols than just parentheses. But I want to show you guys a different one, and it's called GEMS. Now, I really like GEMS because what we're looking at here is it actually takes multiplication and division and then addition and subtraction, which really are on the same level in the order, and it matters from left to right what we see, not do all the multiplication first, then all the division after that. And this version takes it and puts multiplication and division on the same level and puts subtraction and addition on the same level to remind us that we just do those from left to right. So let's say I've got a problem like -4 squared divided by 2 plus 6 times 3 minus -1. Which that would actually get brackets around it. So I want to go through my order of operations as I am figuring out what the answer would be here. So I start by looking at any grouping symbols that I have. So I notice here some grouping symbols. So the first thing I need to do is 3 minus -1. So everything else, I'm just going to write the same for now. And then 3 minus -1. So we know that a minus and a negative, you'll remember this from the subtracting integers video, that becomes a plus. And then 3 plus 1 is 4. So now I'm going to go back here and I'm going to see, okay, do I have any other grouping symbols? And like technically I have them, I have parentheses around the -4, but it's not creating a group. So in this situation, the parentheses really wouldn't be a grouping symbol. So the next thing I look at is exponents. And I do have an exponent here because I'm doing -4 squared. Remember, the squared tells me I have 2 factors of whatever's in the parentheses. So 2 factors of -4, which would give me 16. So now I've got 16 over 2 plus 6 times 4. No more exponents. So now I want to look at my multiplication and division. Now, when I'm doing this, I'm going to do it from left to right. Whatever appears first is what I do first. So as I look here, I have division first. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. 16 divided by 2 gives me 8. So now I've got 8 plus 6 times 4. Now I'm not done with my multiplication and division because I still have some multiplication here. So I want to divide those, multiply those together. The 8 comes down just like it is, and then 6 times 4 gives me 24. Then I have one last step, subtraction and addition. Again, this is going left to right. Right now I only have addition though, so I don't have to worry about anything else. So 8 plus 24 is 32, and that would be my final answer.